So today is one of those days in Texas where you want to hide in the basement and just drink mixed drinks all day. And it actually doesn't look as bad as it is. Got my AK-47 right here. Just chilling with me. This is our hurricane weather right here. We get dust storms of the hurricane weather. And I'm supposed to go to work now. Again, I just went home for lunch. We started stripping in the morning. We went all night long, until about 5 in the morning. Starter broke on our stripper, so we had to replace that thing this morning. We fixed it, and we started stripping, and around 11 o'clock this wind hit. It was not as bad as it is now, but yeah, we're not gonna strip. We are gonna change the bats and brushes on our stripper. And one of our cows is in labor, so we're gonna have to go help her out. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty nice day. The wind is so strong, our electricity is actually going out at times. And yeah, it's pretty bad. Temperature dropped from 70 to 30 in less than 10 minutes. Just barely when I left the house, my truck was showing 70 degrees. Now the wind turned from it was a southwest wind, now it's blowing from northeast. And it's 31 degrees and it's still going down. And it's supposed to get down to 14 to 10 degrees, so we'll see what happens. But here on the right side, that's where I had planted my wheat, which will probably all have blown out now. So I probably did all that for nothing. And that's kind of what we face out here in Texas when we plant something. If you don't get it established before a wind like this, it all burns. I mean, you can have wheat growing to about 6 inches already, and it'll just completely. My heated seats are coming on because the truck thinks it's so cold. You can have wheat that's 6 inches tall and it'll burn to the ground. Tomorrow morning when we go out and check the wheat fields that we have, it'll be brown, it'll be dead. I guess all the static from the sand just starts burning it, and this will actually cause fires in our CRP, which is grass, native grass that we plant. Let me see if I can show you. I guess I'll show you on the other side. This is one of my circles here. And it doesn't look like it's blowing too bad. You can see more over there on the dry land. My irrigated it looks all right. This guy's dry land's blowing pretty bad. I'm going 60 miles an hour and I'm getting 14 miles a gallon. I usually get about 28 if I'm going 60. They're saying it's a 45 mile an hour wind constant with wind gusts up to 55 to 60, which I'm not gonna doubt that. I'm sure that happened. Now it's 30 degrees already. This window is cold. From 70 to 30, that'll get you sick in a hurry. I'm gonna check my dry land here, see how much it's blowing. But one thing you can never do is get depressed or discouraged if you're a farmer. This just has to happen. It's a test or something. It just happens for a reason, I'm sure. It kind of looks like there's a storm rolling in or something. There's clouds anyway. So I don't know where this is coming from or why it's so angry at us, but this is my sandiest spot right here. Yeah, that wheat's all gonna be gone. You can kind of see the lines. You can kind of see the lines where the area there. But the reason why I sowed that was so it wouldn't blow next year. But maybe if we get some moisture, I'll re-sow it. I mean, it doesn't cost too much. I mean, it's nothing you want to do over and over again, because then it would cost a lot. But yeah, you can see the difference here. It's blowing quite a bit more. Can't even see my tracks where I drove anymore. They're all covered in sand already.